All right, continuing where I left off, we have to remember that when it comes to data, it needs to be cleaned. It always needs to be cleaned. So we started off in terms of this. Let me see. I'll put myself right here for a second. We started off with this data being extracted. If you have not seen that video, you should see how I extract the data into R. What I'm going to now do is clean up this population variable. All right, so how do I? The thing is, I don't know, like clean. That's why you need to know the actual programming before you actually know what to ask ChatGPT. Clean data, clean data in R to be able to create a visualization. And I've been doing this for like 4 years now, and so like I know what to do, but I just wanted to see how ChatGPT does it. Go ahead and pause it. Okay. I'm gonna try that ChatGPT again later, hopefully before the video ends. But just go ahead and press cancel. As you may already know, sometimes there's a lot of users, and that's fine. What I'm gonna then do is I'm gonna take my CA. I'm gonna zoom in a tad bit so you can see what's going on. I'm gonna take my CA county data frame. I'm gonna name it something else. I'm gonna just pipe this. I'm gonna name it California mod 1, as in you doing my first modification in the California county underscore DF. Okay. And so then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say mutate. And mutate is a functionality for us to actually change variables. And we know that the variable name is called population 2021. So there's a lot of ways of actually fixing that. What I'm going to do is just count. So I know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to change the 8th column variable. So that it just makes a lot of sense. So I'm going to say column names of California underscore county data frame, and I'm gonna say the 8th one. Okay, the 8th data frame. I'm gonna call it population. There's a lot of ways of doing this. A lot of ways at the top of the mountain, choose one. A lot of ways at the top of the mountain, know many. And so when I go back here, it just says population. Boom. So the issue here is that if you sort this, it's not going to be in order. So the issue is, outside of that, is the fact that it has commas in it. So I'm going to remove the commas, and then I'm going to store this information as numeric. And I'm going to do this in 2 more lines. So I'm going to say population. And the thing is, I could have kept that 2021 there. I just prefer not to. I'm going to say string remove. So str means string. I'm gonna remove all. So I'm gonna remove all strings. I'm gonna give it population. Okay, population, and I'm gonna tell it that I'm looking to remove all strings. Okay, and then when I do that, mod 1, it's not gonna show up in this data frame. It's gonna show up in the mod 1 data frame. Okay, so we go to mod 1, and all the columns are gone. But you can see they're not gonna be in order. And so in order for it to be in order, you need to then turn it into a number. All right. So what I'm going to then do is I'm going to pipe. I'm actually not going to pipe it. I'm actually going to do another one. I'm going to say population again because I'm done with population. And I'm going to say as.numeric. What that means is that I'm going to turn every single number into every single character. That's what R is treating it as if it's a character, and I'm going to turn it into a number. Let's say population. Run that. Go back to mod 1 CADF. And someone may be asking, why did I, create a new data frame named in mod 1 just so that I can have access to the original data frame if I needed to. So if I now sort this, it's not going to be in order. Okay? And so stick back to the next video, you'll see me turning this into a visualization. And let's go ahead and press submit. Let's see what happens. Still nothing. Such is life.